Facebook, YouTube, right here, AO Cleaning. It's a beautiful day out here. We're in Fults, Illinois. We just got done doing the carpet cleaning for a client that found us online, booked on the spot. And it's going good, so stay tuned. We'll show some after work. All right, guys, we're on a job today in Fults, Illinois. Got a new technician that started with me today named Bridget. She's learning the ropes. We're doing some Berber carpet today, as you guys can see. Just look at that, guys. It's quite important to get your carpets cleaned and maintained. The carpet's the biggest filter in your home. It checks everything like it's designed to. So it's important to get it clean at least every 12 to 18 months. Of course, more often if you have kids or pets. This is responding very well. You guys having a beautiful day. Happy Friday. Guys, busy. We got booked up 2 weeks in advance right now. We got a hardwood estimate later today. And things are going good. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful it looks. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Get it back to the original state. Goes to that window there, all that residue. Beautiful. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, tuning in. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe. Thanks for your support. We're going to finish up here and get on the next job. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hey, yo, let's go. Wow, look at that, guys. Happy Friday. Cleaning up things one house at a time. All right, guys, a little update. Make sure you guys, besides vacuuming the carpet, make sure you clean it regularly. When you arrive at your house, we identify your fiber types as well as do a pre-inspection of any areas of concern. Yeah, guys, create a cleaner indoor environment. This carpet's responding well. This is a Berber carpet. Again, I have a new technician on the job today, learning the ropes. Her name is Bridget. Say hi, Bridget. She's learning why it's important to get your carpets clean as well. So, then we got a busy week this week. Got it booked up next week as well. If you guys are in the market or need your guys' carpets refreshed before the holidays come around, get on the schedule. Before you know it, Thanksgiving will be here, guys. Now the kids are back in school. This carpet's looking absolutely great. Just loving it. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna finish up and send me a good one. Happy Friday. All right, guys, just got finished up. We're letting Bridget wrap up now as she's in training. Don't forget to follow us and subscribe. Hit the bell and support us. Teaching Bridget how to wrap up the hose. She's doing great, learning well. And we also do this area rug here for her as well. Do that in. Any kind of synthetic rug is what we're here on the spot. We just do it for $75. Saves you from having to drop it off to the shop. Took a little area here for her, complimentary. And guys, looks absolutely stunning. She's gonna love it. Berber carpet. Remember all the stains is over there and all that heavy soil? That's all gone. And then, of course, you get the hallway, bedroom, and bedroom here. Remember that spot there's right there? That's gone as well. So, if you guys are here, it smells great. They're excited, they're happy, and another happy client, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for some more results for other jobs next week, and happy Friday.